Alright guys, come back to the QX60. Here we have a washer fluid leaking here. So this is the whole part. You go to the dealer, they say they need to replace the reservoir, but this is just buy a new pump here and just replace it. So the way this goes is, the big thing goes here, but you need to go, you see this pin here, and it goes up there into that little hole there. Right, let me see, I can focus. All right, yeah, go there, and then this part just push it in. All right, that's the way you take it out. So you pull it when you take it out, go down, disconnect this plug here, and then you attach the two hoses next to it, and that's it. And now I'm gonna put some plastic ties around here, so just to be sure. Back here, I'm gonna try to install it. I just put the plastic ties. I'm gonna try to install it back, put it back with just one hand, so in order you can see what you need to do. So there we go. So pin in the hole, push it all the way in, push it, that's it, secure, tap back in, that's it, done. You're welcome.